Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So in this video, we are going to discuss three important topics plus one bonus topic. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The first important point is regarding TCS. TCS recently passed a policy stating that the candidates or the employees should be on a billing position for minimum 225 business days. Yes, and the maximum amount of days a candidate can spend on bench is 35 days only, that is business days. Okay, now there is an organization called as All India IT and ITES Employees Union. So they have reportedly issued a statement that it is the responsibility of the RMG, okay, resource manager group. It is a responsibility of them to provide the projects and to provide the adequate billabilities of the employees. Okay, now they have also mentioned that while it is true that people in TCS are sitting on bench for a longer duration, which is causing inactivity and is having adverse effect on employees compensation also. Okay, because they are not provided with salary bonuses or maybe the project allowances, right? Now individual growth and overseas deployment prospect, okay, so these are also hampered. The policy also has an ulterior move of transferring the responsibility to ensure adequate billability from the RMG to the employees. Now, earlier it was the responsibility of the RMG to provide the projects, but now it is shifted to employees. Now, what this is going to trigger is that TCS might add people who are on bench for longer than 35 business days. They might be adding them into PIP, stating that they are not ready or they are not prepared enough to join any project because they are not able to clear the interviews of the different projects, right? Second thing, what they can do is they can do a layoff also, meaning that this can be a voluntary layoff. They can ask the employees in the PIP plan to resign or they will fire them, right, without any severance package. So this can happen, and this is what AIITEU is worried about. Now second important thing is that now TCS wants to reduce the amount of employees in that particular company because they are having around 6.1 lakh employees already, and it is difficult to get all the people on a billing position because definitely there are a lot of projects in TCS, but a lot of people are sitting on bench also whom TCS has to pay the salary, right? Second important thing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. I have observed that 90% of the people who are watching this video have not subscribed. Guys, it helps us, it motivates us to make more such informative videos for all of you only. So please subscribe. Next important topic is regarding Marks and Spencers. Now you might have already know that in 2023 TCS got a $1 billion contract from MS, that is Marks and Spencers UK. Okay, now as you all know that this is one of the biggest clothing brand not only in India but the entire world, right? So what basically happened is that for the first time in India's IT service company, TCS has publicly commented that there has been a cyber hack, and M&S, right, that is Marks and Spencer, did not immediately respond to this request for a comment. Okay, but it is said that there was a cyber attack which disclosed some of the information of the client. Okay, so here they have clearly mentioned that highly sophisticated and targeted cyber attack which M&S disclosed in April will cost about 300 million pounds, almost 403 million dollars in lost operating profit. Yes, and there are other things are also that are happening, right? So if you are someone, okay, who is worried about their passwords, their email IDs, their information got leaked due to cyber attack or phishing attack, right? So there is a website that Have I Been Pawned, right? I will give the link in the description. You can go over there, you can search with your email ID, and if your details are like hacked or your details are taken away by hackers, then that will be mentioned in that website. I will give the link in the description. Do check it and do change your password and keep strong passwords regularly. Okay, the next thing is coming up from Vizag, right? So in the thumbnail you might have already seen that after TCS, now Cognizant is doing this. What exactly it is doing? Now Vizag, that is Andhra Pradesh government, recently they gave TCS 26 acres of land at 99 paisa. Why? To start a business unit, to start a unit over there employing thousands of youths of Vizag, okay, that is Vishakhapatnam, right? On the same bench, on the same line, Cognizant has also got some more land. Okay, so TCS, after TCS, Cognizant is also planning to build an office which will be ready by 2029, and they have got 21 acres of land at 99 paisa. So now Vizag government, that is Andhra Pradesh government, wants to create a hub for IT in Vizag, like it was earlier in Hyderabad. So this is a good news for all the people who are from Andhra Pradesh, who are like staying near Vizag. This is a good opportunity for them to get good job opportunities. People who are watching this video, if you are in college, then this can be a good opportunity for all of you. So make sure that you are benefiting out of it, right? Next thing, I think we have covered almost all the points. So guys, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please don't forget, please ask in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions. And one more thing is that the bonus point is that Amazon has clearly mentioned that if employees are not settling near the offices, if employees are not coming to offices 4 days a week, they can fire them. Amazon has given only 30 days of time for its employees to come to offices. Otherwise, they will start firing them without any severance package. On top of that, Microsoft has recently mentioned, their CEO has also mentioned that they are also going to fire employees. More than 2,000 employees they are going to fire. They've already fired in the last 1 year. They've already fired 8,000 people. Now they're again going to fire 2,000 people, stating that there is a change in the structure of the company, and it is basically because of the AI. So with this, I would like to end our today's video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please share it with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.